Hey everybody, welcome to Riding with Josh. I'm Josh, and today me and a buddy are going to check out an abandoned cement factory. Stick around. There's the concrete factory we're going to. We gotta hit a train track up here and then take the train track in to the cement factory. Alright, here's the train tracks. We gotta go up them. That gravel was fucking slick, son. Oh shit. That thick gravel. Can't keep up with that dirt bike on it. Under the train bridge. Shoot, yeah. Alright, we just parked our bikes. We are at the cement factory. We're about to cross the tracks, go check it out. Fat boy made this up. Oh shit. Nope. We'll try it again. Gotta watch where you walk around here. There is a lot of water. Oh yeah, definitely flooded through there.
It smells like farts in here.
Look at that staircase. Yeah, right? I don't know how safe it'd be to go up all these, but
People have done it.
from down here it seems pretty sturdy on the stairs, you know, but oh, it does? Is it flooded too?
Tractor tires here.
The dead bird right by your foot?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure enough. You can step across that. Wonder how we get somewhere else. This is pretty cool. Watch out for snakes in these. They are out now. All these piles of dirt, I guess, is where they had the carts in here. They'd dump it all into the carts. Look at these screws.
Ooh, it's warm in here.
Just what?
It's warm in there.
Really?
Yep, okay.
It is a little bit, right?
It's a little rain.
A little room. Let's go walk around the front of this place, see if we can. You can get in this right here. Looks like we'd actually get in one of these silos. Be fun getting up there, but
Yeah.
put the camera up in there. Feels cool in there. Get it. Any light at the top?
Yeah. Or I guess that might be the side. You could have a whole house in this.
Really?
Yeah, I think it has a good roof.
Shoot, yeah. Just when you come down, I'll get it from you.
All right.
Well, this is the other side of the tunnel. We were all the way on that side earlier. This place is flooded out. Look how deep it is.
Yeah, you put fish in here. Nobody's put fish in here yet.
I don't know if they could live with all the minerals or something that might be in it.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Hey, yeah, you're right. There's a pond over here. Really? Yeah. See if we can get over there. The other side of this. See if we can get around there. But as you can see, there's a shit ton of water. Was it worth it? This better be one cool pond. Shut up. Watching out for snakes around here. This is probably pretty damn deep. Alright, let's go up this way, see where it takes us. I hear him somewhere. Yeah, you wouldn't get in there, it's flooded. Pretty sure this whole thing's flooded out. Shoot, yeah. Yeah, you can't go any farther up there. This place is... Got the bikes all the way down there. Alright everybody, thank you for joining today's adventure at the abandoned cement factory. That's all we got in store for you. If you liked what you saw, please hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to it and make sure you hit that notification bell so you get reminded when all future videos come out. And as always, everybody ride safe. We'll see you next time.